Hey guys, my name is Kasham and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting my topic, I want to share you my short experience. Once upon a time, I was a tourist guide in Bangladesh and I've got a lot of tourists from different countries of the world. And when I go with tourists, the different cities of Bangladesh, like Simangal, Sylhet, Dhaka, Chittagong, Cox's Bazar, and Rajshahi, Bogura, Dinaspur, I noticed a lot of Bangladeshi people wants to talk with foreign tourists, but they cannot speak with them. Only they say, "Hello, how are you?" After that, the tourist answered them, "Yes, I am good. How are you?" Then they cannot reply anything. They cannot say, "I am good," or that's it. They cannot speak more because the foreign tourist cannot speak in Bengali language. Bengali also known as Bangla. The foreign tourist cannot speak Bangla, and Bangladeshi people cannot speak English. That's the problem. I noticed those things, but foreign tourists also wished to talk with them, but they're talking in English with them, but Bangladeshi people are not understanding what they're saying. They stare at each other. And on the other hand, in Bangladesh have a lot of embassies and foreign consulate. And a lot of diplomats are working in those embassies and consulate. But they cannot speak Bangla. Yes, in Bangladesh, most of them are speaking in Bangla language, but the foreigners cannot speak Bangla. And Bangladeshi people cannot speak English. So for foreigners, life is very hard, life is very difficult to survive in Bangladesh. That's why I am thinking I will start a Bangla language course from my next video. I will explain all sentence word by word so that any foreigner can learn, practice easily. I'll do my best. I'll try my best to explain clearly so that foreigners can learn and practice Bangla easily at their home. But You'll be happy to know that nowadays in Bangladesh have a lot of English language course institute, and people are learning English because Bangladeshi people understands now English is the advanced language, and if they want to go out of Bangladesh, any countries all over the world, they have to speak in English. That's why I am very happy, and you will be happy also to know that in Bangladesh now a lot of English language schools, English language institutes are available. A lot of YouTube channel also available. So people are learning English. I hope our next generation will come who can speak English fluently. Whatever, if you are foreigner living in Bangladesh, my next all of videos will be only for you, and I hope my next videos will be very helpful for you and will be very informative for you. So if you want to learn Bangla language, then please subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. I hope you can learn Bangla. No need to be fear, no need to be afraid. Nothing is impossible in this world. Nothing is impossible in this world except birth, death, and your food. Because Allah, our God, whatever you say, He gives us everything. But those three things He keeps with Him. In those things on the God hand. Except those three things, everything we can do. But we have to practice. We have to practice. And almost every day I say all people, it's my common dialogue. Practice make you perfect. So every day you will practice 5 words. Then day by day, after 1 month, you will see you already learned a lot of Bangla language, Bangla sentences. And after a couple of months, you can speak Bangla language fluently. So you can, no need to be worried, no need to be afraid, no need to be fear. You can learn Bangla language. I will be behind you. If you want to learn Bangla language, I will be behind you. And just say with me, yes, I can. And just determined, I have to learn. I have to learn. And you can learn. Because it's easy, not very difficult, not very hard. So guys, I hope my next videos will be very informative and helpful to you. So if you want to learn Bangla language, then please subscribe my channel and stay connected with me so that you can get my all Bangla language videos and you can practice at your home. All the best, guys. See you in my next videos. Bye.